your date / yourself. Welcome to Saucy Sunday. Do we like that melody? Saucy Sunday, right? So this ain't no ice cream. This is actually the same soup that I was having. So let's talk about this. The first time I had a cauliflower puree is actually in a restaurant on Upper West Side. They served a branzino. There's a white sauce spread on the bottom, and I just was like, what is this? I couldn't figure it out because, again, cauliflower is one of the most underrated vegetables. So it wasn't recognizable when it's manipulated in such a way, but that's the beauty of it. When you're in the kitchen, you're a magician, and you can use illusion and trick your audiences, and when they perceive it and taste it, it's just good, man. So I went home and I just kind of like Googled how to do it. After some research, then I realized with this equation that I'm about to give you, you can make any puree you want successfully. First, an easily manipulated vegetable like cauliflower, anything that has sustainability, something that's like big, like broccoli would work well. carrot would work well, something with meat, okay? Like if you can mash it with a fork after it's been boiled, that's the perfect texture you should use to make a puree. Then you need your aromatic, something that excites it and spices it up. That's garlic, onion, leek, shallot. Those are amazing. Put color into the factor, okay? And then spices. Let that be paprika, let that be thyme and pepper. Texture, color, mix it together. You can't fail. Okay, I have faith in you. Okay? So tag me if you recreated this recipe. And subscribe if you haven't. Show some love, please. And oh my god, if you ever roast your vegetable in open fire, send me those pictures. Those are like, I actually use fire this time. Red bell pepper. I love roasting it on open fire. You can just do it on your stovetop. Sorry people who have electric stove. But yeah, I love fire. The thing is, I don't like to boil my red bell pepper and let the beautiful juices like just be lost in the pot of water. So what I do with it, I just roast it. I roast it, and then every drip is gold. It's so sweet. And you just rub off the charredness, the charred skin outside. It smells so good. Challenge me to use a random vegetable or fruit in a puree, and I'll make a beautiful sauce for it.